Hey guys, it's Galinda here from hirecarestaff.com. I've just done a strategy session with Ollie, who is part of the HR manager at Bartra Healthcare Recruitment. So Ollie, tell them who you are, what problems did you have in terms of your recruitment, and how did the strategy session help you?
Hi, my name is Ollie, and as Galinda said, I'm working for the recruitment at Bartra. We have a recruitment section in our business, and we need to attract more employees. Our business is extending with our second nursing home, so we have a big volume of staff requirement. Galinda helped me to understand more about our online presence, social media platforms, and recruitment section.
Yeah, and the ACE framework, how did that help? The ACE
it's a very
framework.
good system. Yeah, the application that you went through with me, it's very helpful in terms of management department to see the reports and all the activities on the background recruitment section.
Excellent.
Thank you, Galinda.
You're welcome. Would you recommend the recruitment strategy session with others?
Yeah, absolutely, 100%. Very good and very helpful in a short time.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
Because time is very important. So.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you so much, Ollie, for that feedback.
Thank you, Galinda.
Okay.
And good luck.
Okay. Thank you. All right. Thanks so much.